Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on how to calculate the quantity of concrete for trapezoidal footing. So let's start. 2.5 meter is the length of the footing, 2 meter is the width. Here this is top view, you can see it, and I have drawn side view. This one part indicates, if you see this footing from side view, this one part indicates cuboidal section, and this second part shows this is in this form. That is, this part is called truncated pyramid. It is truncated pyramid. So for calculating the quantity of trapezoidal footing, we have to calculate the volume of this part plus the volume of this part. So let's start. Volume for trapezoidal footing can be written as volume of cuboid plus volume of truncated pyramid. So firstly, we are going to calculate the volume of cuboid, that is length into width into height. Here the length is 2.5 meter, width is 2 meter, and the depth is 200 meter. I have converted this 200 meter into meter, and it can be written as 0.2 meter. So let's see. The volume for cuboid is equals to L into B into H equals to 2.5 into 2 into 0.2. By calculating this, we will get 1 meter cube of volume. Now in third step, we are going to calculate the area part, that is area 1 and area 2. See, in this truncated pyramid, this part is this top part. This part is area 1, and this base part, this base part is area 2. I have drawn this in by showing this A1 and A2. So we are going to calculate this area. Area A1 is top base, area A2 is area of bottom base. Okay. So for calculating area A1, we have here the length is 400 mm, and the width is 300 mm. So firstly, we are going to convert this mm into meter. So here I have converted this in meter, 0.4 into 0.3. So we will get 0.12 meters square. Now for calculating A2, here the length is 2.5 meter and width is 2 meter. So the area A2 will be, you can see, 2.5 multiplied by 2, and it will be 5 meter square. Now what we will do is, we will calculate the volume for this truncated pyramid. So let's see the formula for this truncated pyramid. The volume for truncated pyramid is 1 by 3 multiplied by, in bracket, A1 plus A2 plus root under A1 multiplied by A2 whole bracket H. 1 by 3 into 5 plus 0.12 plus root under 5 into 0.12 into 0.4. Height is 0.4. Here it is clearly mentioned, I have mentioned the height is 400 mm, so that I have converted this 400 mm into meter. After solving this, we will get this value 0.7858 meter cube. Now, the final solution will be volume of trapezoidal footing is equals to volume of cuboid, that is 1 meter cube, and the volume of truncated pyramid, that is 0.7858 meter cube, and the final answer will be 1.78 meter cube, that is 7858 cubic meter of volume of concrete required for constructing that trapezoidal footing. Here I have drawn this part so that you can understand this easily. So this is the complete solution for calculating the volume of concrete required in constructing trapezoidal footing. Hope you all like this video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.